Now in the last title, we made a little footer, we made a wrapper to put our boxes in, we made a header, we made content box, we made a footer box, and we made them all IDs. But when should you use a class? When should you use an ID? And kind of sort of it all comes down to, I tell people, it's your kitchen, do whatever you want. Again, classes can be used as many times as you want, while IDs should only be used one time in a document. So let's go back into our document here. And I'm going to save this file again. File, save as, because instead of IDs here, I'm going to use classes. And I'm going to call this first CSS page classes. Let's spell that correctly. First page classes, and there we go. Now instead of using IDs with the pound sign, we're going to make all these classes. And to do that, all we do is we change the pound sign to a dot. And it's that simple. From pound signs to a dot. And once we get rid of the pound sign, the octothorpe, and use a dot, these are now classes, but we have to make some changes in our HTML also. If we're going to use classes, then the HTML code would be div class equals the selector name. And I'm just going to copy that because copy is a good thing. So down here, paste class in there, paste class there, and paste class there. There we go. So now we have no IDs, all classes, and wrapper, you're only going to have one wrapper, but anyway, and let's go into our design, and you can see the design doesn't change at all. So you can use classes or you can use IDs, and just for the heck of it, since we haven't done it thus far, let's type some text in here. Hi there. And I'm going to type hi there, and in my properties panel, I'm going to make this an H1 tag, heading 1. Woo! There you go. Heading 1. Ooh, look at it. It's bold. It's black. It's not very pretty. So let's redefine that tag. I'm going to go into my CSS. We've used IDs. We've used classes, but we have yet to identify we haven't yet redefined an HTML tag. So to do that, we just put in H1, and this just open a couple of curly braces here. Go back, come down a little bit, bring that over, and then I'm just going to type font. How about font? Better yet, we'll just say color. It's weird that actually works, but color for text, you just type in a color. Let's make it red. Close that off. So we've redefined the H1 tag, and we'll save that. And there you go. Now we have a red H1 tag. We've redefined an HTML tag. We've used classes, and in our next title, we'll go further into the land of CSS rules and selectors.